My original age 47, but I always maintain 25.
Yeah, you look that man. I got confused. You told me over phone that you were 47, but you look like you are, I mean, below 30. So I got confused.
I work at physical education teacher at Presidency International School in Chittagong. But I was a BD Army, sir. I completed 24 years and job BD Army.
So you were an army officer.
Yes, sir.
After
I am Army or
retiring,
national basketball player.
after
Yes, sir. Yes,
retiring,
sir. After
after
returning.
retiring, you joined a school for physical education
Yes,
teacher, right?
sir. I was a Army or national basketball player. Then I
Okay.
completed my job. Then I admitted a BPEd course in Uttar University.
But you know what?
Alhamdulillah,
Your facial appearance doesn't say that you are that person, right? It looks that you are younger than us.
thank you, Satya. Sir, I now every day I join. Every day I complete my running session or hard working or gym. Inshallah, sir.
So, what one thing a human being should do every day for getting a fit body, actually, or for being fit? What one thing a person should do regular?
Sir, I continuous 25 or 30-minute running. Continue.
Only one thing that is every person should run 30 more than 20 to 30 minutes per day, right?
Or 15 minutes, 15 minutes.